Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a useful setting that will, in most cases, eliminate the ads that you yet had the matara. The setting is incredibly simple, anyone can do it, it doesn't take much time, and it doesn't require installing any additional software. Then give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. It's really that simple. Go to your default settings. It doesn't matter what phone you have. Go to the most standard settings. Now, among all the settings, even if they differ depending on your model, I think you'll find a setting called Google. Dali is Bagamora Satelang. Go there. Now look, in this list, you just need to find a section called Advertising. Go here and take a look. Well, may have different columns here. Some will see the same image as mine, others won't, but it doesn't matter. The settings are more or less the same everywhere. You need to click Reset Advertising Identifier and confirm. Click Delete Advertising Identifier and agree to delete it. After that, your phone will work a little better because it'll be less loaded with all sorts of junk. Of course, this doesn't completely eliminate all advertising services and so on. You can of course do a lot of work and disable all advertising, but that requires a truly comprehensive approach. If you don't want to bother, at least make this one adjustment and even your phone will perform better.